Okay, this might be a first for me. I am hiding in a hotel bathroom trying to finish my homework because I didn't have enough time to get it done this week. So my kids are sleeping in the bed and I'm in the bathroom. My name is Alicia Lamb, so welcome to my life. I have three little girls. I have a 5-year-old named Mackenzie, a almost 3-year-old named Delaney, and an 8-month-old. I have been married to my husband for 7 years, and we live in Topeka, Kansas. We are currently in Wichita for a wedding, so it's going to be kind of a crazy weekend. I have lived in Topeka for a little over 15 years. I moved here to attend Washburn and just never left. I have been working as an elementary sped teacher for 8 years. Before that, I worked at a psychiatric treatment facility for kids ages 6 through 21, and that's kind of where I fell in love with special education. I loved my job there, and I had a good time getting to work with the staff that I did, and we built a good program. Unfortunately, I had to leave so I could finish my master's degree in special education. Long-term and short-term goals. Short-term goals, I'm just planning to kind of get to know a little bit more about this administration side of education before I really make a jump into being an administrator. My long-term goal is maybe to be a principal or work in a curriculum and instruction position. I find it really interesting when we talk about intervention materials and what's out there and looking at the research. I'm specifically interested in finding out about math curriculums and math interventions because I feel this is an area of weakness in our school and something that we continually need to look at. Now, I'm not great at math, so I am not a person to design curriculum, but I am interested in looking for the best curriculum to teach our students because I do see us declining with the current program that we have. I don't feel like our kids' math skills are as strong as they used to be because we're throwing too much at them too quickly. So long-term goal, that's kind of where I'm headed. What I hope to learn. I hope to know what is going on in the world of curriculum. Like, what advancements are we making outside of a textbook? I know there's a lot of research going on about project-based, and I know that teachers are trying to implement more technology, but how is it all tying together? So we're not doing 3 different things, using a textbook and lectures and looking at project-based and then throwing in technology because we want a little piece of everything. How do we make it meaningful for the kids, use the resources we have, and make sure that we are building citizens that are ready for the outside world, that are ready to succeed and to take on projects and not be afraid of what's going to come at them. So that's kind of me in a nutshell. I hope everyone has a great semester. I'm really looking forward to figuring out more about curriculum and instruction. I'm hoping that this opens up a few more doors for me to dig through later on. Have a great day.